Katya says, there was this girl yesterday who was so nervous around me that she was visibly shaking. I wonder how to make her more comfortable and see me as a person, not someone on a pedestal. It's always interesting to see this reaction. That's because your energy field is changing her. And you have too much light for her to handle. So it's a different wavelength, and your degree of presence with yourself is waking her up just with your presence. I get this all the time. Because I do a lot of Qigong, I do a lot of meditation, I do human design, I spend a lot of my time and effort to become more and more conscious, more and more present. And I'm releasing beliefs, I'm doing shadow work, so I'm increasing my light, I'm increasing my presence, my groundedness, my energy body. So when I'm next to people that haven't done any of that, and that's like most of society, it's very difficult. It's like living in another world. And people can't be around me mostly. And if you want, you can try to be vulnerable. You can share your struggle with her. You can show her that you are like, say something vulnerable about yourself. Talk about your struggles to her, so that she sees that you are similar. If you think it's okay to be weak, like really vulnerable with her, I mean, you will always know. You can try to be vulnerable, and if she starts to take advantage of it, then you just know you're not cut out for each other. But you can also be vulnerable, so she stops looking at you as someone that's bigger than her. Then, if everything sort of balances out, then it can be better. She wants me to tattoo her head. I mean, of course, another thing could be that she has trauma, she has projections, she has fear, she has like static in her mental body, she can have static and debris in her emotional body, in her physical body she can have blockages. Who knows what she is based on human design? Maybe you're very different energetically. It can be a lot of things. Get her to talk. Ask her questions. Questions always remove defensiveness. Like, guys, anytime somebody is defensive, just ask them questions. Because a question disarms a person, and they immediately feel like they are safe because somebody wants to hear what they have to say. And a question is like, hey, what do you want to do? Or how do you feel about that? Like a genuine question. Get her to talk, get her to open up. And if you talk about things that you have been through that are similar to the things that she's going through.